Renowned lyricist and poet Javed Akhtar was supposed to attend a 4-day poetic symposium, widely known as Mushaira, at the West Bengal Urdu Academy on 1st of September yesterday. However, this event has now been postponed. Well, you ask, the question is why? Well, this after protest from some Muslim groups who reached out to State Minister Siddiqullah Chaudhary, citing their concerns. Listen in before we take you through the claims at length.
मुझे मालूम नहीं था उनका प्रीवियस रिकॉर्ड क्या है। फिर बाद में कलकत्ता के कुछ लोगों ने मुझसे कांटेक्ट किया कि वो तो डायरेक्ट मजहब इस्लाम पर हमारे इस्लाम मजहब के बुनियादी फंडामेंटल चीजों पर उन्होंने बुरा भला कहा है।
So viewers, you just heard the State Minister himself. Let's now take you through the claims one by one. Now, the Jamiat warned Bengal Urdu Academy, citing these points. According to them, Javed Akhtar speaks against Islam and Allah. And then they've said Urdu events must uphold faith. They also claim that one should not honor someone who mocks the belief. And they've also said that he does not represent Urdu values, and that's the reason why they are opposing his presence at this event. And faith and atheism can't share a stage, is what Jamiat has claimed. Apart from that, they've also said there are better voices in Urdu who can be called for this event. And they said that cancel the invite or face protest. So that was a threat that literally came in from Jamiat Ulema-e-Hind, the Kolkata unit. Cancel the invite or face protest. Now, BJP has come down heavily, in fact, on Mamata Banerjee government, citing rising intolerance in the state and the state conceding to extremist groups. Listen in to Union Minister Shukanta Majumdar.
Obviously, it's a pressure. It's a result of the pressure given by the radicalist Islamic fundamentalists present in the state, and Mamata Banerjee is just giving the patronage to those Islamic fundamentalists, and they are doing pressurizing this. Javed Akhtar Sahab is considered one of the prominent secular Muslim in this country, so that's why from the Siddiqullah Chaudhary and the others, this kind of pressure has come, and I believe that it also proves. It's also proving that the Mamata Banerjee is playing with the communal entity, those are present in the state of West Bengal.
प्रोग्राम इसलिए कैंसिल हुआ, जावेद अख्तर जी ने वास्तववादी एक नेता है, वास्तववादी वो मानुष है, और इन्होंने सच बात जो कह रहे हैं वो ममता बनर्जी का पसंद में नहीं है, और इसीलिए बहुत सारे उर्दू का जो राजनेता है सब लोगों का मुखौटा खुल जाएगा, और इसी डर से इस प्रोग्राम को जबरदस्ती रद्द किए गए।
Let's now go across to my colleague Ridhita, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Ridhita, what has been the view of the Trinamool Congress on the charges leveled against the government by the BJP? Okay, we'll try and reconnect with Ridhita in just a bit, and we'll try and see how has TMC really responded to this entire controversy. Viewers, so this is about a renowned lyricist and poet Javed Akhtar, who was in fact supposed to attend a 4-day poetic symposium, widely known as Mushaira, at the West Bengal Urdu Academy on 1st of September. That event eventually got postponed, and this after some protests by some Muslim groups. In fact, they reached out to the State Minister Siddiqullah Chaudhary, citing their concerns. Let's go back to Ridhita, who is live with us right now for more on this. Ridhita, I was trying to understand from you what has been the reaction of the Trinamool Congress on the charges by the Bharatiya Janata Party. Ridhita, can you hear me?
As you can understand that Javed Akhtar was a chief guest for the West Bengal Urdu Academy's program called the Mushaira, which was a poetic event that was to be held from August 31st till September 3rd. But after a consequent meeting through the weeks. First, a concern was raised by Jamiat-e-Ulema of Kolkata and the Wafila group in Kolkata against the Urdu Academy for launching this event, and the concern that they had raised was getting Javed Akhtar, presenting Javed Akhtar as a chief guest, as they have said that Javed Akhtar has repetitive of times spoken against the religion, and not only that, the group had also termed Javed Akhtar as a shaitan, one of the most famous poet and lyricist of India was termed like this by the group of Jamiat-e-Ulema Calcutta. And not only did they stop there, later the Urdu Academy, even when they had first said that they do not accept to these conditions of them of not bringing Javed Akhtar for the program of Mushaira, which was a statewide program. Even the Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee was the president of this very organization, but later after a meeting, as the Jamiat-e-Ulema had warned, given stern warning stating that if the program is being launched and if Javed Akhtar is brought in as a chief guest, then later they will launch a protest like it was launched during Taslima Nasreen, the Bangladeshi poet who was in Kolkata in earlier years around 2017-2018. So after which, through the meetings, as understood that the program was postponed for indefinite time, and now, to the contrary, as we understand, that BJP is stating that it is completely Mamta Banerjee's government who has bent down before the radical Islamist fundamentalists, and that is why they have stopped the most famous poet and lyricist, somebody like this, a secular Muslim like Javed Akhtar, who would speak on the demography of Bengal and especially of India, have been barred to enter the state and also be present as the chief guest to inaugurate a Mushaira which was produced, which was a show of the West Bengal Urdu Committee. Back to you.
Right, but Pradita, the point really is that as many on social media platforms are also saying right now that the West Bengal government in a way has surrendered to Islamists because it was because of their pressure only. They did not want, like Jamiat-ul-Ulema Hind, did not want Javed Akhtar to be part of this particular event, the Mushaira, the popular event in Kolkata, and because of their pressure, the government has surrendered. Any word yet from Javed Akhtar on this entire controversy?
Not yet, as we understand that a comment from Javed Akhtar has come upon this event. Even there has not been any comment from the West Bengal Urdu Committee or Javed Akhtar on the event being postponed for indefinite period. But as of what we understand, that in contradictory or in protest of this, in Delhi, the Left Front organization with 6 committees of there is to arrange one of the programs of bifocus of Mushaira out there by 6 committees of the Left Front government, and that is how they are trying from West Bengal. The Left Front government is trying to contact Javed Akhtar, as they completely feel the demography and the secularism in Bengal has fallen down, and that is why since the government out here has bent down, they will conduct another part of this event having Javed Akhtar as a chief guest out there in Delhi.
All right, Pradita, request you to stay on with us. In fact, we have some more updates